This is Muto RS, a bionic hexapod robot. It comes with aluminum alloy body and high-precision LiDAR and depth camera. Equipped with 18 sets of high-torque intelligent bus servos, allowing Muto to flexibly change its posture and achieve a variety of bionic actions. As an open-source development platform, Muto not only supports Python programming, but also uses the ROS2 robot operating system. Combined with high-precision LiDAR, external environment information can be sensed in real time, and 2D maps can be constructed. We have also provided an exclusive mapping navigation app, which allows you to control a complete mapping, navigation, and obstacle avoidance. Muto can also sense and plan routes in real time to complete autonomous obstacle avoidance. With LiDAR, Muto can achieve various functions, such as LiDAR obstacle avoidance. With voice interaction module, Muto can accurately recognize voice commands and respond promptly. Go to the point A.
Okay, I'm going to the point A.
Go to the point B.
Okay, I'm going to the point B.
Through 3D depth camera, Muto can obtain depth point cloud images of the surrounding environment in real time, easily completing 3D real-life mapping and navigation. Based on the KCF algorithm, any object in the Muto field of view can be selected. Muto will follow target in real time. Through mobile app remote control, we can quickly experience Muto. The body posture can be adjusted at will, making it easy to cross various obstacles. Pair it with a wireless handle to experience full-screen control. Combined with multi-machine communication technology, multiple robots can be controlled at the same time. Muto can also realize complex functions such as QR code recognition, face tracking, and visual tracking. Through the MediaPipe development framework, Muto can perform deep learning on target objects to achieve object detection, gesture control, bone detection, We also provide RVIZ simulation models and learning materials courses for free. This is the Muto robot, which will take you to explore more possibilities of ROS bionic robots.